Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best crimp hose clamp is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in ensuring the integrity and reliability of fluid and air transfer systems, playing a critical role in preventing leaks and maintaining optimal pressure across a wide range of applications, from automotive engines and industrial machinery to household plumbing and gardening equipment, making its selection a crucial step for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic aiming for durable and leak-free connections. Number 5. Proster Hose Clamp Pliers Kit. Crafted from top-quality 304 stainless steel, these hose clips are built to resist rust and corrosion, even in tough conditions. Their seamless design ensures a leak-free seal, adapting to temperature changes and vibrations. The smooth, polished edges protect your hoses from damage. The single-ear design makes installation quick and provides a consistent, secure clamp every time. This professional-grade crimping tool is made from chrome vanadium steel for exceptional durability. Its ergonomic handles reduce fatigue, and the precision jaws ensure a secure grip for distortion-free installations. With 200 clamps covering 10 sizes, this kit is perfect for a wide range of applications. Use them for everything from household repairs to automotive and industrial projects. The single-ear design allows you to easily see your installation progress, and the rolled edges prevent hose damage. They offer continuous tension adjustment and save you time compared to traditional methods. Each clamp is stress-tested to hold over 200 psi, ensuring maximum grip strength. The corrosion-resistant coating guarantees reliability, even in harsh environments. What we like. If you need a complete solution for professional sealing, this kit is for you. It combines durable stainless steel clamps with a robust crimping tool for reliable, leak-free connections. Choose this if you're tackling automotive, HVAC, or industrial projects where a permanent, strong seal is paramount. What people say. All connections have held up. My 2-stage shop compressor is set at 110 psi and I have had zero failures with the clamps. No more backing loose and a much more even pressure on the sealing of the hose. Works great and seals without a problem. Number 4. 120 PCS 11 sizes single-ear hose clamps. This kit includes 120 pieces across 11 different sizes, ranging from 6 to 33.1 mm. It comes with a handy plier and is neatly organized in a sturdy plastic box for convenience. Crafted from 100% premium 304 stainless steel, these clamps offer superior resistance to salt, rust, corrosion, water, and oil. They are built for durability and long-lasting performance. Featuring a polished smooth edge, these stepless clamps ensure no damage to your hoses. The 360-degree stepless design provides a tight, leak-resistant seal with centralized pressure. These reliable clamps are perfect for various plumbing systems and securing hoses, pipes, cables, and fuel lines. They are ideal for automotive, industrial, marine, and household uses. Made with solid and sturdy material, these clamps are designed to last. They offer a terrific alternative to traditional screw-type clamps, ensuring a secure fit every time. What we like. For those who appreciate having ample options for various repairs, this kit stands out. It offers a broad spectrum of sizes in high-quality stainless steel, ensuring you'll find the right fit for almost any hose or pipe. If you're a homeowner or DIYer who likes to be prepared for any plumbing or automotive task, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great for replacement parts on our John Deere 1775 planter fertilizer hoses. The kit had the clamps I needed and the included pliers worked. Very satisfied. This kit was perfect and solved my problem. Holding up over a week and I am sure it will not be giving me problems again. Number 3. MIAHART 120 PCS Stainless Steel Single-Ear Hose Clamps. Introducing the MIAHART 120-piece set of single-ear hose clamps. These are crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, ensuring excellent resistance to corrosion and rust for long-lasting performance. This comprehensive set includes 10 common sizes, covering an inner diameter range from 1/4 inch to 1/18 inch. You'll have the perfect fit for most of your needs. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these clamps are built to withstand harsh environments. They are designed to resist corrosion and rust, providing reliable security. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included ear clamp pincer. Its comfortable, plastic-coated handle makes gripping and tightening effortless. These clamps are incredibly versatile, perfect for securing PX tubing, pipes, and hoses. They are widely used in automotive, marine, motorcycle, and industrial applications. The entire set, including 120 crimp clamps and the pincer tool, comes neatly organized in a clear plastic storage box. Keep everything tidy and accessible. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use clamp set for automotive and general pipe applications, consider this option. It provides a good range of common sizes in corrosion-resistant stainless steel, along with a convenient pincer tool for quick installations. It's a solid choice for those who need dependable clamps for PX tubing and automotive hoses. What people say. Multiple size stainless steel hose clamps. Works great for boots for axles on ATV or anything where you do not want that long tail from a standard hose clamp. These fit the bill nicely, and stay compressed at the pressure you set them at with the tool. Number 2. BILITOOLS Hose Pinch-Off Pliers. Introducing the BILITOOLS Hose Pinch-Off Pliers, designed for a wide range of applications. They are perfect for working on coolant, brake, and fuel systems, as well as vacuum lines. This set includes both straight and 90 degrees angle pliers, each available in multiple sizes. This versatility ensures you have the right tool for any job, whether it's a tight spot or a straight run. Crafted from durable, glass-reinforced nylon, these pliers are built to last. They can withstand temperatures up to 160 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. The smooth, rounded jaw edges and adjustable locking ring prevent damage to your hoses. They allow you to securely clamp hoses over a wide area without causing harm. Designed with an ergonomic handle, these pliers offer a comfortable grip for extended use. Their design makes them easy to operate, simplifying your repair tasks. These pliers are specifically designed for flexible fuel, coolant, and brake lines. Please note, they are not intended for use on rigid, reinforced, or high-pressure lines. What we like. If you frequently work with flexible fuel, coolant, or brake lines and need specialized tools for access, this set is ideal. It offers both straight and angled pliers designed to pinch off lines without damage, even in tight spaces. This is the go-to option for mechanics and DIYers who need precision and ease of use on sensitive automotive systems. What people say. Was able to clamp off a lot of lines instead of removing. Made the job go much quicker and a much smaller loss of liquid. Used them a few times with replacing some of the cooling components. They work great, since you have various sizes and they hold really well, minimal leaking at most. Super string and the adjuster does not move once you set it. These work great. Solid build quality to them. Hope they last a long time. Number 1. Swpeet 120 PCS 304 Stainless Steel Single Ear Hose Clamps. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these clamps are built to resist corrosion and rust, even in challenging marine environments. Made with durable materials, these clamps can be reused and recycled, offering a long-lasting solution for your needs. They are ideal for a wide range of applications, including automotive hoses, home appliance lines, machinery equipment, and trade exports. Featuring a single-ear design with smooth edges, these clamps provide a secure grip and are perfect for securing soft materials like neoprene gaiters. This kit includes 120 pieces in 8 different sizes, 6mm to 23.5mm, all neatly organized in a clear box for easy storage and access. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help resolve any issues quickly. What we like. For eco-conscious users or those who value long-term usability, this kit is a great pick. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, these clamps are designed to resist corrosion and can be reused, making them an environmentally friendly and cost-effective solution. If you're working on car hoses, home appliances, or machinery and want clamps that last and can be repositioned, this is a smart investment. What people say. A properly sized ring will work quickly and well for attaching PX or other tubing to fittings. These work well for my application. I have used them so far on steel backpack sprayer. And they are working great. The fit and finish is nice and the ability to hold tight is as it should be. These are really handy for tight spots. These work very well in a tight location, and the only clearance you need is the pliers need to open enough to grab the area to crimp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.